Your AC is set to 16 degrees car, still sweating, it's been humming for hours, yet the room is hot? Spoiler, your AC isn't broken, your room is. And today, I'll show you 8 hidden reasons why your AC is failing and how to fix it instantly. Most people think AC is not cooling, wherein AC is bad. Wrong. In fact, 90% of cooling problems come from mistakes you don't even notice. Reason 5 can waste thousands needlessly. Here reason 1. Wrong AC tonnage. Let's start with the most common and costly mistake people make. It's all about getting the size of your air conditioner right. This single decision can make or break your comfort and your electricity bill. If your AC is too small for your room, it's fighting a losing battle. It will run constantly working overtime but never reaching the temperature you set. This not only racks up your energy costs but also causes excessive wear and tear on the unit. For example, 1-ton AC in a big living room simply cannot handle the heat load. But surprisingly, bigger isn't always better. An oversized AC cools the room too quickly and shuts off. This is called short cycling, and it fails to remove humidity, leaving the air feeling damp and clammy even if it's technically cool. So what's the fix? Before you buy, measure your room's square footage and match it to the AC's BTU rating. A quick online search for an AC size calculator will give you the perfect number. Reason 2. Sunlight heat. Now imagine this, your AC is cooling the room, but at the same time the sun is heating it non-stop. Direct sunlight through windows, especially in the afternoon, turns your room into an oven. So your AC is working, but the heat keeps coming back in. It's a constant battle, and your AC is losing. Reason 3. Air leakage. Here's something most people ignore. Your room is not sealed, cool air is escaping through tiny gaps in doors, windows, even walls. And once that cool air escapes, your AC has to start all over again. This one small issue can destroy your cooling completely. Reason 4. Dirty filter. Now let me show you something shocking. This tiny filter inside your AC controls everything. If it's covered in dust, air cannot pass through properly. Less airflow, less cooling. So your AC might be working perfectly, but the air just isn't reaching you. Reason 5. Low refrigerant. The costliest mistake most people make. If your AC gas is low, it will still blow air, but that air won't be cold, so people think my AC is dead. And they replace it, usually a quick gas top-up or leak fix. Reason 6. Heat sources inside. Now think about what's inside your room. TV, laptop, lights, and even your own body heat. All of these generate heat. So while your AC is trying to cool the room, these things are heating it at the same time. More heat or more load on your AC. Reason 7. Poor airflow. Ever notice this? One part of your room feels cool, but another part feels hot. That's airflow problem. If cool air is not circulating properly, you'll never feel comfortable. Blocked vents, bad AC placement, or no fan support, all of this creates uneven cooling. Reason 8. Wrong settings. This one is simple but very common. You set 16 degrees but your AC is on fan mode or dry mode, so it runs but doesn't actually cool. Always check cool mode, on temperature 22 or 24, fan speed medium or high small setting. Big difference. A fix section. Now here's the good news. You can fix most of these problems immediately and it won't cost you a fortune. First, seal your space, close all doors and windows properly. Even a tiny gap can let precious cool air escape. For a quick fix, use weather stripping or door draft blockers to seal any leaks you find. Next, block out the sun. Use thick curtains or blinds, especially on windows that get direct sunlight. This simple step acts as a barrier against heat. Also give your AC a breath of fresh air. A clogged filter suffocates your unit, so clean your AC filter every 15 days. It's a 5-minute job that makes a huge difference. To improve circulation, turn on a ceiling fan. It helps distribute the cool air evenly, making the room feel several degrees cooler. And if you've done all this and the cooling still feels weak, it's time to call a professional. Have a technician check if your AC is the right size for your room and inspect the refrigerant gas levels. These simple steps lead to a massive difference in your comfort and your electricity bill. Retention twist. Now here's something most people don't realize. Even a perfect AC cannot cool a badly designed room. If your room traps heat from sun-facing windows or constantly leaks cool air through gaps under doors and around window frames, no AC in the world can fix that completely. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Your room design decides your comfort, so next time your room feels hot, don't blame your AC immediately. Fix these hidden problems first. A simple door draft stopper or cleaning your filter can make a huge difference. For a quick pro tip, use blackout curtains during the day to block solar heat and run a ceiling fan to help circulate the cool air more effectively. Was this helpful? Like this video, subscribe for more money saving tips, and share it with a friend who's always complaining about the heat. Save this post as your go-to checklist and slash that next energy